Meet Chase, a 3-month-old miniature pinscher.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Bird, a friendly Dalmatian, spots Chase and join him in the fun. Miniature pinschers, like Chase, thrive on physical activities and exercise. They need outlets for their high energy levels to stay happy and healthy. But Whiskey's family is ready to head home. However, Chase and Bird completely absorbed in their game. Bird, being a young and energetic dog, takes on the role of looking after Chase. Despite the size difference, with his confident and fearless nature, Chase keeps up with Bird, unfazed by his small size. But it's time to go home. Their adventures will continue another day.